Hello, welcome back to CompTech Geeks. In today's tutorial, we're about to take wireless file transfers to the next level. I will show you how to transfer files from your mobile to your laptop without any data cables. But before we get started, if you're new here, please make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. We're all about bringing you the latest tech tips and tricks. Part 1. Download Wi-Fi FTP Server. Visit your Google Play Store, Apple Store, Get Apps, and install the application on your smartphone. Part 2. Setting up a Wi-Fi FTP server. Our journey begins by setting up a Wi-Fi FTP server on your mobile device. We'll be using a fantastic app called FTP Server. Configure Wi-Fi FTP server. Click the Start button and allow permissions. Starting the Wi-Fi FTP server. Tap Start within the app to launch the Wi-Fi FTP server. Your mobile device is now transformed into a Wi-Fi file-sharing powerhouse. Connect laptop to the same Wi-Fi network. Part 2. Adding a network location on your laptop. Now, let's kick it up a notch by adding a network location for even more convenience. Create a network location. On your laptop, open this PC or My Computer, right-click, and choose Add a Network Location. This will open the Add Network Location wizard. Wizard Steps. Follow the wizard steps, entering the Wi-Fi FTP server address and providing a name for your network location. This will create a shortcut to your mobile's files. Access your network location. You can now access your mobile's files directly from this PC or My Computer like any other folder on your laptop. And there you have it. You've mastered transferring files from your mobile to your laptop wirelessly with the help of a Wi-Fi FTP server. Plus, we've made it even more convenient by adding a network location. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell to stay updated with our tech tutorials at CompTech Geeks. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.